So Isa have some requests. Isa wants to make
Loki Craft.
Loki Craft. Okay, so I don't have much idea about Loki Craft. So if you can help her. So what do you make, Isa?
I want to make iron bars and iron blocks.
Okay,
I have to make a gel.
okay,
And I have to decorate it with something.
okay,
A bed and a crafting table and a furniture.
okay,
And a toilet.
okay,
A toilet and a trapdoor.
okay,
That is a toilet.
okay, all right. A
And
trap door.
And I want something else. Cafeterias and policemen.
Oh, all right.
And I have to make something to go.
What?
To go outside.
Where? So what do you want to make for that?
I think iron doors
Oh, all
will
right.
be good.
Oh, great. That's great. Is there anything else you want to say?
Yes.
Okay.
And I want to make a policeman strap.
Oh, all right.
There will be a lot of buttons.
So you want help for that?
Yes.
Okay. Can someone support Isa? Because I am not a technical person at all, and I do not have any idea about Loki Minecraft either. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So can someone help Isa to create Loki Minecraft?
Yes.
Okay. So could you please suggest some app? Hannah? Is that
Yeah.
what you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay, all right, yeah, Isa. So I'm sure someone will help you out. All right?
Okay.
Anything else you want to say?
Yes.
Say.
And I want to make a cafeteria with small bricks and bags.
Oh, okay, all right.
And make something else, a stone block and a redstone block.
Oh, okay.
And a stone block and a gold block will have a monsters.
Oh.
And a red one will have a chest
Okay, all right.
full of emeralds.
Emeralds, okay. Great. Okay.
And to go out, I will have commands.
Oh, okay. All right. Anything else?
No.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
Yes.
All right. So I'm posting this video if any
And go outside.
Oh, okay. So I'm just posting this video if anyone can help Isa. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.